सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यंकरवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। नमस्कारः, स्वागतं पुनरेकवारं सर्वेभ्यः संस्कृतप्रणयिभ्यः। अस्माभिः ज्ञायते भवद्भिः पुनरेकवारं स्मारयामि। मित्रभेदानन्तरं तत्र मित्रसम्प्राप्ति नामकं तन्त्रं प्रारब्धमासीत्। अस्मिन् तन्त्रे षडेव तत्र कथाः वर्तन्ते। षट्सु कथासु तृतीया कथा इदानीं पठ्यमाना वर्तते अस्माभिः। यत्र अस्याः कथायाः शीर्षकं तु पुलिन्दशूकरसर्पशृगालकथा इति शबरशूकरकथा इति वर्तते। तत्र वयं वर्तामहे। एतस्यां कथायां कियत् दूरं गतवन्तः वयं श्रीनिवासः जानाति, अहमपि जानामि। Yeah, we are in the third story of the second tantra. Yes, exactly. 86th, 87th page was also done last class.
Yes, sir. Namaskar.
Yeah, namaskar.
Yeah, 87 is completed. I'm reading the next paragraph.
Next 3 lines you can read.
Yeah. ततोऽहं भयत्रस्तमनाः सपरिवारो दुर्गमार्गं परित्यज्य अन्यमार्गेण गन्तुं प्रवृत्तः। ततः सपरिजनः
यावदग्रतः गच्छामि
यावदग्रतः गच्छामि तावत् सुमुखीनः
तत्र कश्चन दोषः वर्तते। तावत् सुमुखी इति नो इति पदं भिन्नमस्ति, तत्र स्पेस आवश्यकं। सुमुखी नो तावत् सम्मुखी, क्षम्यतां, सम्मुखी, and gap should be there for no means asmakam.
Oh, okay.
Not this no connected with sammukhi, I'm sorry.
Oh.
So that printing law, printing error is there. Yeah. Tavat sammukhi
no bruhat kayo marjarah samayati sa mushaka vrundam avalokya tan madhye
sahasotpapata. Yeah. So who is narrating? This is narrated by Hiranyaka. Hiranyaka is narrating his unfortunate state of affairs, how he went once to the Matha, and how he heard the conversation between the Bruhaspik and the Tamrachuda, both the Parivrajakas, and how Bruhaspik was planning to come to the very source, the fort of the rat, etc., etc. Tataha, that is why therefore aham nama atra Hiranyakaha Mushikaha Bhayatrastamanaha Bhayena Trastamanaha. My mind was terrified by fear, being fear stricken mentally. Saparivaraha, with all my family, or they can say with my saparivara means with my attendants, with all my followers. Durgamargam parityajya. So when he overheard the conversation of the Parivrajaka, he was scared, and along with his entire parivara, saparivara, Durgamargam parityajya, he avoided the way, the direct way leading to his Durga is fort, the rat. Understand? Durgamargam parityajya Anyamargena gantum pravruttaha. He started going by another lane, you can say. He avoided the major road and took a sideline like Anyamargena gantum pravruttaha. Tataha, then, and there also his bad luck occurred. Like, when a policeman tries to catch the thief will be jumping lanes. So they just like that. Tataha Saparijanaha, with his followers, Yavad agrato gacchami. When I am going ahead on a different road, avoiding that main road, gacchami, agratah gacchami, tavat, in the meantime, tavat sammukhi, then came front, headlong collision like, came in front of me, naha asmakam, sammukhi naha asmakam sammukhi. So face to face, to us, naha means asmakam, asma chabda. Sammukhi, what came face to face to him, appeared before them rather, that is the Bruhat Kayaha Marjaraha. A cat, very, what do you call, a big, well-grown cat, big cat, you can say. Bruhat Kayaha Marjaraha Samayati. Now this is the situation of this our poor Hiranyaka, the rat. So we confronted rather a big cat on our way when we took to another way actually. Samushaka vrundam avalokya. Sa here refers to Saha Bruhat Kaya Marjar. That cat, Mushaka vrundam samuham avalokya društva. Seeing the group of these rats, this group of rats, tan madhye sahasa utpapata. It was a great inspiration for the Marjara. So the tan madhye, tesham madhye, mushakanam madhye, sahasa akasmat utpapata. It pounced upon, jumped upon the group. Very active. That is next.
Atha te mushaka mam कुमार्गगामिनम् अवलोक्य गार्हयन्तः हतशेषा रुधिरप्लावित वसुन्धराः तमेव दुर्गं प्रविष्टाः अथवा साधिरम् उच्यते.
Atha, then what happened? Te mushakaha, those mushakas, those rats, mam kumarga gaminam avalokya. When they saw me taking to a wrong way, kumarga. Sumarga, ku means bad, Srinivas.
Yeah.
When the other mushikas, rats, saw me going through a wrong way, kumarga gaminam avalokya, garhayantaha, they were, rebuking me, blaming me, garhayantaha, nindantaha, hataseshaha, and then they, those who remained after being killed, hataseshaha. So this cat came and some were killed and some were left unkilled. Hataseshaha, hatat seshaha, rudira plavita vasundaraha. So some were killed, some were wounded, and with their rudira rakta plavita vasundara, the earth was, the earth ground was completely, plavita means flooded with their blood, wounded rats. Rudira rakta plavita vasundaraha. That means they started shedding blood on the ground. Tameva durgam pravishtaha. That very Durga, they also entered.
Chitva pashamapasya kootarachanam bhuntva, no sir, this is bhuntva.
Bhunktva.
Yeah. Bhuntva baladva guram Paryantagnishikha kalapajatila
Nirgatya.
jatilan nirgatya duram vanat vyadhanam sharagocharadapi javenotpatya dhavan mrugaha upantah patitah karotu vidhure kimva vidhau paurusham.
Now this poem describes how when death is imminent, asanna mrityu, Srinivas. That is the word used earlier, we have studied. Asanna mrityu, when a man's or anybody, any living beings, death is imminent. And if the living being tries to escape, like in the description of this a deer is described how a deer tries to escape from several things, and finally it falls. Finally, it falls into a well, escaping several traps. So that is how it is. Athava sadhu idam uchyate, rightly it is said. Chitva means breaking. Pasham, the net. Apasya kuta rachanam. And also, apasya means coming out of kuta rachana, that fabricated trap. Kuta rachana means very fabricated, plotted trap, you can say, rachana. Like hunters do kuta rachana, means they do very hidden trap, keep hidden trap, isn't it?
Yeah.
Kuta. So kuta rachanam apasya duri krutya. Apasya nama duri krutya. Removing, getting over the what do you call, the fabricated, otherwise the hidden trap, breaking the first chitva pasham, breaking the trap, and then going away from the trap, bhangtva, sorry, not bhangtva, having broken, bhaja dhatu, bhangtva, chitva, all twantas here. Bhangtva, having broken, balat, with force, vaguram, the trap here. So, kuta rachanam apasya pasham chitva, escaping from a hidden trap and then cutting the pasha ropes, bhangtva, breaking away, balat, by force, vaguram. Here vaguram means trap only. So trap. This both mean escaping from the trap and cutting the trap. Cutting and escaping from the trap. This way, Srimad.
Yeah.
How can an animal escape? First cutting the, but how it broke open, it is not given. Maybe it cut the net. Chitva means chedana is involved. All force is used, therefore balat is there. Balat vaguram. Paryantagni shikha kala kalapa jatilat nirgatya. Jatilat, this is the big samasa there. Jatilat. Paryanta means all around. Agni shika kalapa, and all around it is smashing the special design. Okay, possibly going far off, you can say, getting away from a complex forest which was full of flames all around, Srinivas. Paryanta, Agnishika, all around there were flames. Like we say now, sometimes forest fire takes place in forest. Forest fire. Recently we had a big, one of the greatest forest fire in Australia. And hundreds and thousands of animals were burnt down. So like that, Paryanta, all around. Agnishika kalapa means continuous. Kalapa means a continuity of, So, Agnishika kalapa jatila, very complicated. Jatilat. So Paryanta, that means Paryanta means Samantat, Srinivas, Samantat, all around. Vyapta davagni chayat. Paryantagni shika kalapa jatilat means, Paryanta means Samantad Vyapta Agni Chayat, from the Agni Chaya means from the configuration of fire, escaping from that fire which was engulfing the entire forest. Nirgatya, coming out. See, first line tells you that it broke the, it cut open the snare, breaking the fabricated trap, smashing the trap, it came out. And when it came out, it had to face the fire all around engulfed in the forest. Paryanta, Samantat, Agnishika Kalapa Jatilat. Very dense forest was that, covered by all flames all around. And then Nirgatya, it escaped that also. Duram Vanat, from, it came away far from the forest. Then Vyadhanam Shiragocharaadapi Javena Utpatya Davan. It was running then. It started running. Mrugaha, Kaschid Mrugaha, a certain deer, Davan running away. Vyadhanam Sharagocharaadapi. Even from the aiming of the arrows of the what do you call the hunters. That is the deer running away with all its speed and escaping the arrow of the hunters, Srinivas. Vyadhanam Shara Bana Gochara. Gochara means target, becoming the target of the arrow. So, escaping the target of the arrows of the Vyadha, the hunters. Javena with all its speed. Vegena. Java means speed. Javena. Utpatya. Flying. I mean, flying away and by way of running. Dhavan. Mrugaha. Kaschit Mrugaha. Some deer. Now, it escaped the deadly forest fire in second line. It escaped the inescapable net. By force, it cut open and escaped from that. And then it also, third line says, it escaped even the being targeted by the arrows of the hunters. What happened finally? Kupantaha patitaha. Kupasya ante patitaha kupantaha patitaha. It fell into a well. Rhyming, Srinivas. It fell into a well. Karotu vidhure kimva vidau paurusham. Then what can paurusha, effort, do when vidau karotu vidure kimva, when the kimva vidau paurusham. So what paurusham, what effort can anyone do when our vidhi is unfavorable, not favorable. Fate is not favorable. Karotu vidure, in a difficult time, kimva vidau paurusham. What paurusha, what manliness, what effort can anybody do when fate itself is not favorable? So fate, everything is fate. So Panchatantra mainly, Srinivas, speaks much and more about fate. Fatalism is advocated because it is anything that is happening to human beings is happening because of our fate, they say. Like we have studied, several poems you have studied. Like Sanjeevaka's case in the Mitra Veda, how Sanjeevaka broke his leg and then repaired by nature and then became the friend because fate, Gruhepi, their most famous sloka is there, na? Daivahataha. What is the sloka? Vane jivati vane visarjitaha, gruhena jivati, etc. So if one is left in the jungle, one survives, but sometimes gruhe, sometimes with all care taken at home, one does not live. So a certain deer here is described. It escaped three great things, but finally it fell into the well. So what can be done again when the fate is not favorable? Yes,
अथ अहम् एकः अन्यत्र गतः शेषा मूढतया तत्रैव दुर्गे प्रविष्टाः अत्रान्तरे स दुष्टपरिव्राजकः रुधिरबिन्दुचर्चितां भूमिम् अवलोक्य तेनैव मार्गेण दुर्गम् उपगतः ततश्च सहस्तिकया खनितुम् आरब्धः.
So, having told this big poem, when fate is adverse, what can we do? So, fate was adverse to Chitra, this Hiranyaka and his followers. His followers blindly went to the same fort. They were killed. Kupa, then, sorry, Atha then, Aham ekaha, Aham nama Hiranyakaha, ekaha anyatra gataha. I myself went elsewhere. I being the leader. Seshaha, the remaining of my followers, Parivaraha, Sevakaha, Mudhataya, because of their foolishness, Tatraiva Durge Pravishta, they entered into the fort. They out of foolish, the remaining, all my followers who were left from killing of the big Marjara, Tatra iva Durge Pravishta. They entered into the same fort. Atrantare, in the meantime, Sadushta Parivrajakaha. The rat is very angry with his Bruhaspik Srinivas. Here, see, a rat is cursing a Parivrajaka sannyasi. Atrantare Sadushta Parivrajakaha. That wicked sannyasi, Rudhira Bindu Charchitam Bhumim. How was the ground Bhumi? Rudhira Bindu Charchitam. It was spread over by the drops of blood of the rats.
Yeah.
Rudhira Bindu. It was Charchitam means stained also. It was stained by the drops of blood. Bhumim Avalokya. So it was easy for the Dushta Parivrajaka Bruhaspik to track the way of the rats now because of the blood. Like in any crime, we see in cinemas and otherwise in real life, when crime is committed, they track the blood. Blood will be there. So like that, Bhumi Avalokya, sorry. Rudhira Bindu Charchitam Bhumi Avalokya. Seeing that stained earth with blood, Tenaiva Margena, following the same route, Durgam Upagataha, that Dushta Parivrajakaha Durgam Upagataha. He reached the fort. Tatascha, thereafter, Suhastikaya. Suhastikaya means with the help of some instrument. A spade, it is Suhastika. Suhastika, very handy one. Suhastikaya Khanitum Arabda. He started digging that hole with a spade. Atha, then you have to read.
Atha tena khanata praptam tannidhanam yasya upari sadaiva aham krutavasatihi yasya ushmana mahadurgamapi gacchami tatah prushtamanaha tamrachudam idamuche abhyagataha bho bhagavan idanim swapihi nishankaha asya ushmana mushakaste jagaranam sampadayati. I'll pause here, sir.
Yeah, pause. Then what happened? That Dushta Parivrajaka Bruhaspik started digging with a spade that hole of the Durga, hole of the fort of the rat. And we are given to understand Hiranyaka was watching all this. Isn't it? Hiranyaka escaped, na?
Yes, sir.
Hiranyaka escaped. He said, Tenaiva Margena Durgam. Sheshaha Mudata Atrantare. Where is that sentence where he said, Anyatra Gataha? Aham eko Anyatra Gataha. In the lane, that line upari asti. Then Tena Khanata. Then Tena, then when he was digging, Khanata, Shatrupratyanta. Kanan Kanantau Kananta. Khanata, Tena, Bruhaspikena, Parivrajakena Khanata, Praptam. While he was digging, he obtained, he got. Tan Nidhanam, Tat Nidhanam. That he found that treasury. So rats hold some treasury, it seems. They keep, stealing and then hoarding and Tan Nidhanam, the treasury. Yasya Upari Sada Eva Aham Krutavasatihi. This was the treasury on which always I lived. Yasya Upari, Yasya Nidhanasya Upari Sada Eva Aham Kruta Vasatihi. Maya Vasatihi Krutaha Asit. So I always lived upon the treasury. So that is what the clever Parivrajaka said, that we should find out. Ordinarily, a rat cannot jump so high to steal the food. This rat is special because it is very, very enthusiastic, and the enthusiasm is traced to it must have stored some treasury. And that is how it all came, investigation. Yasya Ushmana, that is why the writer says here, Yasya Nidhanasya Ushmana, by the heat, warmth of which treasury, Mahadurgam api gacchami. The rat says, I can climb even a great Durga fort because of the warmth of my money. So, Srinivas, we analyzed earlier also. If money is there, man is enthusiastic.
Yeah.
If there is money, like if you have money, if your pocket is filled with money, then it is, you are very bold and very, your attitude, mental attitude immediately changes. If there is absolutely no money in your purse, no money in the bank account, then you are in a very different state of mind.
Hmm.
You are very depressed. So, rightly is pointed out by the writer that money gives you warmth, it gives you encouragement, it makes you spirited person. Otherwise, you become, frustrated, like dispirited. That is what the sentence says. Yasya Ushmana, by whose warmth, Yasya referring to the Nidhanasya Ushmana, Mahadurgam api gacchami, I can climb, I can go to any fort. Tataha, then, Rustamanaha, Tamrachudam, Rustamanaha. Then he became very happy when he found that treasury. Tamrachudam idamuche abhyagataha. That abhyagataha, that guest, Bruhaspik, abhyagataha refers to Bruhaspik. Rustamanaha becoming very pleased. He told his host, Tamrachudam idam uche. He told this to Tamrachuda. Oh Bhagavan, oh holy sir, my dear friend, idanim, now swapihi, you sleep, nishankaha, without any doubt. Now your problem is solved. Your problem is solved, you can go to sleep happily. Asya Ushmana, because of the Ushmana, warmth of this treasure, Asya Nidhanasya Ushmana Mushakaha, that rat, te tava jagaranam sampadayati. It is making you awake because of the warmth of this money. Now this is under our control, you go to sleep very happily, it is said. Next. $332, Srinivas. No. Yes. You have to read, na?
Oh, I was muted, sorry. एवम् उक्त्वा तन्निधानम् आदाय मठाभिमुखं प्रस्थितौ द्वावपि अहमपि यावन्निधानरहितं स्थानम् आगच्छामि तावद् रमणीयम् उद्वेगकारकं तत् स्थानं वीक्षितुमपि न शक्नोमि अचिन्तयं च किं करोमि क्व गच्छामि कथं मे स्यात् मनसः प्रशान्तिः.
Eva Muktva, having told like this, Tan Nidhanam Adaya. Bruhaspik said, na, previous statement, now you sleep comfortably. This treasure is the cause of the warmth of the rat, etc. Eva Muktva, Tan Nidhanam, that Nidhana, Adaya Svikrutya, Mathabhimukam Prastitau, Dvavapi. Dvavapi Parivrajakau, both the sannyasis, Matha Abhimukam, towards the temple, Prasthitau, started. They took out the treasure, Srinivas. Now the treasure is in their hands. Ahamapi, now that Ahamapi is Hiranyaka. Hiranyakaha Ahamapi Yavan Nidhana Rahitam. See, the moment Hiranyaka is cut off from his treasure, he is completely depressed. Ahamapi Hiranyakaha Mushikaha Yavan Nidhana Rahitam. Nidhana Rahitam. Now I am devoid of my treasure. Sthanam agachami. When I reached the place, he came to the hole again, sthanam, after the sannyasis went. Yavan nidhana rahitam sthanam agachami. When I came to the hole, which was without the money, treasure, tavad aramaniyam udvega karanam tasthanam vikshitum apina shaknomi. It all became very, unpleasant to see. That I could not see that place with which was earlier very ramaniya, very attractive. and tavad aramaniyam udvegakarakam, and it was very it became udvega karanam, means it started giving him anxiety. He became anxious and it became very unpleasant to look at. Aramaniyam udvega karakam tat sthanam. The very hole, the very fort, which was earlier very attractive to go to always because of the money, became very unpleasant, Aramaniya, and also it started giving him udvega karakam. It became the cause for his anxiety, udvega karakam. Katam me syan manasaha prashanti. And then how could I have peace of mind when my money being taken away by the sannyasis, and when my home started looking very unpleasant and giving me, making me agitated, etc. So he says, Katham me syat manasaha prashanti. How can there be mental peace to me? Yes.
एवं चिन्तयतः मे महाकष्टेन स दिवसः व्यतिक्रान्तः अतः अस्तमिते अर्के सोद्वेगः निरुत्साहः तस्मिन् मठे सपरिवारः प्रविष्टः.
Another attempt he is making to get back his nidhi. No, the rat is not leaving. Evam, in this way, chintayatah, while I was thinking like this, mahakastena, with great difficulty, sa divasaha vyatikranta, that day was spent with great difficulty. Then atha astamite arke, day was spent with great difficulty. So night came, astamite arke, when the arka, surye astamite sati, when the sun set, when it became night, sodvegaha, agitated, mentally agitated, nirutsahaha, with no enthusiasm, spiritless, nirutsahaha, tasmin mate saparivaraha pravishta. Again, he entered into the same math where the sannyasis are living, parivrajakas, along with his followers. Then, atha asmat parigraha shabdamakarnya.
अस्मत् परिग्रह शब्दम् आकर्ण्य ताम्रचूडः अपि भूयः भिक्षापात्रं जर्जरवंशेन ताडयितुं प्रवृत्तः. अथ असौ अभ्यागतः प्राह, हे सखे, किम् अद्यापि निश्शङ्केन न निद्रां गच्छसि? स आह, हे भगवन्, भूयः अपि समायातः सपरिवारः स दुष्टात्मा मूषकः, तद्भयात् जर्जरवंशेन भिक्षापात्रं ताडयामि.
Okay. Atha asmat parigraha shabdamakarnya. Atha, then what happened? He went with his all followers again to get back his wealth. Atha asmat parigraha shabdam akarnya, listening to the sound made by my followers. Tamrachudaha, that old monk, the guest monk, host monk. Tamrachudaha api bhuyaha bhikshapatram jarjara vamshena tadayitum pravati. He again started beating the bhikshapatra begging bowl with the bamboo, old bamboo, the dry bamboo or old bamboo. Atha, then asava abhyagata, then the abhyagataha guest, that is Bruhaspik Praha, he said, Sakhe, my friend, kim adhyapi nishanko na nidram gachasi? Why are you not sleeping today also without any fear, without any doubt? Why are you worried now? Your problem is solved, isn't it? Saha, then that is Tamrachudaha, Bhagavan, oh my friend, my holy friend, Bhuyopi samayataha saparivaraha sa dushta atma mushakaha. See how these people are cursing. Dushta parivrajaka, he said. The Mushika said Dushta parivrajaka earlier. And now the sannyasi is saying Dushta atma mushakaha, Dushta mushakaha, etc. So Bhuyopi again, Samayata has come over, Saparivara with his followers, Sasa Dushtatma, that wicked Mushakaha, Tad Bhayat Jarjara Vamshena Bhiksha Patram Tadayan. That is why I am beating this Bhikshapatram, because of his fear. Tataha, yeah, read on.
Yeah, Tataha विहस्य अभ्यागतः प्राह हे सखे मा भैषीः वित्तेन सह गतः अस्य कूर्दनोत्साहः सर्वेषामपि जन्तूनाम् इयमेव स्थितिः उक्तं च.
What a wonderful lines it is, Srinivas. Tataha. Then Bruhaspik laughed, Srinivas. Vihasya Abhyagataha Bruhaspik. The guest, having laughed, said, Praha, Sake, my friend, Ma Bhaishihi. Don't be fear, don't get scared, don't be afraid. Ma Bhaishihi. Vittena saha gataha asya kurdana utsaha. Asya mushakasya kurdana utsaha vittena nidanena saha gataha. His spirit of jumping, kurdana utsaha, his spirit of jumping so high is gone along with the money. When we have taken out the nidhana, its spirit is gone. Now you see, he can't jump so well as he used to spend here. So his spirit of jumping has completely gone away, gataha, has faded away along with the money. Sarvesham api jantunam, and then he is generalizing now. Sarvesham api jantunam iyameva sthitihi. This is the position for all the living beings. Once their money is gone, they become low spirited, they become frustrated, they become enthusiastic, I don't know, unenthusiastic, they lose their spirits, unspirited. Sarvesham api jantunam, this is a commonization, generalization statement, generalized statement. Sarvesham api jantunam iyameva paristitihi stitihi. This is the case with all the living beings. Once their money is gone, then they become very flattened. Yeah.
उक्तं च यदुत्साही सदा मर्त्यः परा भवति यज्जनान् यदुद्धतं वदेत् वाक्यं तत्सर्ववित्तजं बलम्.
See how beautifully this poem brings about the power of money, Srinivas. The power of vittajam balam, the strength, the power, the enthusiasm that comes out of vitta. Vittat jayate iti jatam vittajam. Vittajam balam. So there is balam in vittam. Yad ussahi, that the fact that one is ussahi, one is enthusiastic, sada martyah, that a mortal, the fact that a man always is enthusiastic, parabhavati yat janan, and that he parabhavati considers all other men or slightly, he outwits all other people. The fact that he outwits. Yad uddhatam vaded vakyam, and the fact that uddatam garvitam vadet vakyam vadet, that he speaks all arrogant words. Moneyed man, people having lots of money, their language is totally different, na? With all garva. Uddatam is arrogant, very rudely they speak, na? So that is his, this third quality of money pointed out here is yat
Dhanam madaya.
Dhanam madaya. Yeah. Uddatam garvitam vakyam vadet. The fact that man speaks arrogant words or rude words, tat sarvam, all this is vittajam balam, is the cause for the strength coming from vittajam. Oh, beautifully said. That a man is very enthusiastic, that he overlooks all others, that he speaks arrogant words, all this is because of the power coming from the vitta, vittam. And you know the definition, sometimes in our class I told you, vittam, vittam eticha yaticha. Eti comes and goes. Yeah.
अथ अहं तत् श्रुत्वा कोपाविष्टः भिक्षापात्रम् उद्दिश्य विशेषात् उत्कूर्दितः अप्राप्त एव भूमौ निपतितः। तत् श्रुत्वा असौ मे शत्रुर्विहस्य ताम्रचूडम् उवाच भोः पश्य कौतूहलम् आह च।
So what happened then? This is the, of course, writer's message here. Then aham nama tatra mushikaha, the rat, tachrutva, having listened to the conversation between Tamrachuda and Bruhaspik, Kopavishta, it became very angry. when that Bruhaspik said that he has lost his strength, we have already taken away his wealth, na? So Hiranyaka got Kopavishta, Kopena Avishta. Then he said, Bhiksha Patra Muddishya, looking at again that Bhiksha Patra, Viseshat in a special, Viseshat Utkurditaha. He took a special jump, Srinivas, out of anger. Viseshat Utkurditaha. He took a, with all, his bala. And then what happened? Kurditaha apraptaha eva. Without reaching that begging bowl only, bhumau, on the ground, nipatitaha, I fell. See, what Bruhaspik said is correct, na? Earlier, the rat was used to jump like anything. In one jump, it used to catch the begging bowl. Now, with all the strength and kopa it jumped, it fell down. Nipatitaha. Tat shrutva, that listening to that sound of falling, asaume shatruhu. Asaume shatruhu means who is the shatru of this mouse, Hiranyaka? Bruhaspik. Tat shrutva asaume shatruhu vihasya, he laughed then. The Bruhaspik laughed when the rat fell down. Tamrachudam was. Then he told his host friend Tamrachuda, Bhoho, Pashya Kautuhalam, look at its enthusiasm. What I told you, you will not be able to jump. That is the hinted here. Pashya Kautuhalam. Ahacha, and he said,
अर्थेन बलवान् सर्वोऽप्यर्थयुक्तश्च पंडितः पश्यैनं मूषकं व्यर्थं स्वजाते समतां गतम्.
So, a small poem about Artha Prashastyam here, importance of money. Arthena Balavan Sarvo Api. Sarvaha Api Arthena Balavan. Everybody is in this world a powerful man, Arthena, because of the wealth. Arthena Balavan Sarvaha Api. Artha Yuktascha Panditaha. And everybody who is having money will be considered as a Pandita. This tells you that same, na? Avatura Subhasham. What is that? Kim Kim na sadayati kalpalateva. Oh, not Vidya. What is that sloka, Srinivas? Very much relevant. Sadarshaniyaha sarve gunaha kanchanamastrayanti. Bhartruhi Subhashitam. Oh, come on, today. What is happening? Yasyasti vittam sanaraha gunagnaha. Yasyasti vittam sanara gunagnaha. Sa panditaha sa sutavan sa darshaniyaha. He is a handsome guy. Panditaha. So same thing. Then telling that yasya, one who has money is a handsome man. Vittam panditaha darshaniyaha, he is a worth looking man. Saeva Vakta, he is himself a speaker. Sachadarshaniya, Sarve Gunaha, Kanchana Masrayanti. Same thing is summed up here in this sloka. Balavan Sarvo api Artha Yuktaha cha Panditaha. Artha Yuktaha Purushaha Panditaha cha. Yasyasti Vittam Saeva Panditaha. Pashya enam Mushakam Vyartam. Look at this mouse, this rat, uselessly, swajatehe samatam gatam. It has gone Now it has become equal to its Swajati, means it's like its other breed. It has become a common rat now. Swajati he samatam gatam. Okay, tat. So, swapihi
Yeah.
tvam gatashankaha.
Tat swapihi tvam gatashankaha yadas yada
Yadasyotpatana karanam.
yadasyotpatana karanam tada tadava tad
Tad
avayo
avayoho.
yeah astagatam jatam अथवा साद्विदम उच्यते दंष्ट्रा विरहितः सर्पो मदहीनो यथा गजः तथार्तेन विहीनोऽत्र पुरुषो नामधारकः.
So he is giving, now you sleep very freely. Tat swapihi. Swapihi nama nidram kuru. Tvam gatashankaha, vitashankaha. Now without any doubt freely you sleep. Yad because asya utpatana karanam. Yad asya utpatana karam tavad avayoho astagatam jatam. Because asya mushakasya utpatana karanam. The, what do you call, now you sleep friendly. The reason, the source for his jumping, Srinivas, the source for the jump of this mouse, avayoho astagatam jatam. It is now in our hand. What is the source for this particular rat jumping so high is in our hand now. Tad avayoho dvayoho astagatam jatam. It is now within our hands. Athava sadhu idam uchyati. Damshra virahitah sarpaha. A snake without its fangs. Its fangs. Madahinaha yatha gajaha. Like an elephant without mada, the ikar. Tatha, in the similar manner, artena vihinaha atra purushaha. Similarly, a man is in society without money. Like a cobra without its fangs is no use. Gaja also without its mada is of no spirited. So, in the same manner, without money, artena vihinaha atra purushaha namadharaka. Here only purusha, only namesake is a man. Man is called just by namesake man. Without money is nothing. The idea is, Srinivas, he is only Namadharaka, means holder of the name Purusha iti. Purusha iti nama. Nama kevalam nama eva dharati iti. Nama dharati aham Purusha iti tatra paurusham namartate. In saying this, there is no Paurusha in such a Purusha because of no Vitta. The Paurusha comes because of Dhana, Nidhana. Nidhanam. Yeah, that is.
Shall we see in the next class, sir?
Yeah, we can see.
Thank you.